Bitcoin bounces back to 107K while SLERF explodes, plus 137%, and AI tokens crash, 40%. The market is giving us a masterclass in what really matters right now. Today's 6-minute update reveals why some assets are surging while others collapse as crypto's most important sorting event unfolds before our eyes. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your Crypto Pulse Flash update for October 18th, 2025. The market is speaking loud and clear today, with some assets exploding upward while others collapse in dramatic fashion. What we're witnessing is nothing less than crypto's great bifurcation, where quality and speculation are being forcefully separated right before our eyes. Let me break down exactly what's happening in this critical 6-minute update. Let's start with our key indicators. Bitcoin has bounced back to $107,014, up 1.40% after yesterday's brutal crash to 104.8K. Ethereum is showing even stronger recovery at 3,973, up plus 3.94%. But the real story is in the sector performance. SLERF is absolutely exploding, up plus 137.68%, leading the meme recovery. Aster is up plus 10.64%, showing L1 resilience. Meanwhile, COAI has crashed 40.78% as the AI token speculation implodes. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 4513. We've improved from extreme fear, but remain in fear territory as the market digests yesterday's massive $7 billion liquidation reset. Three critical developments are shaping today's market. First, Bitcoin's reclaimed 107K support as crypto attempts recovery from yesterday's crash. This bounce is creating a foundation for selective strength to emerge. Second, SLERF has exploded, plus 107.68%, leading a selective recovery wave. This Solana meme token has rocketed to 0.082 with 49.4 Mats in volume as traders hunt for oversold opportunities. Third, we're seeing the AI token bubble completely burst with COAI crashing 40.78%, completing a catastrophic 90% collapse from its $43.81 all-time high. What makes today's action so fascinating is the clear separation happening in real time. While crypto struggles to recover, gold has hit a fresh all-time high of 4,150. This exposes crypto's failure to capture the institutional flight to safety premium that traditional safe havens are enjoying. The AI token implosion we're seeing with COAI's 40.78% crash is completing the speculation bubble burst that began weeks ago. This represents the final purge of unsustainable hype, but perhaps most telling is the dominant mindshare metrics. Buybacks are capturing 14.23% mindshare, while L1 blockchains hold 16.58%. The market is clearly rewarding proven infrastructure and revenue-generating protocols over pure speculation. From a technical standpoint, SLERF's explosive plus 137.68% surge represents a classic short squeeze breakout triggered by the Binance perpetual delisting. With $49.4 in volume, this forced liquidation is driving a parabolic move with clear targets at 0.10 psychological resistance. Meanwhile, COAI's chart shows the textbook completion of a bubble burst, the unwinding of a 1,500% parabolic rise that's now found a temporary floor at 5.47 after crashing 90% from its all-time high. Bitcoin's defense of 107K is creating the technical foundation for this selective recovery, but gold's relentless march to $4,350 continues to outshine crypto's safe haven narrative. What's happening today teaches us crypto's most expensive lesson. Fear creates selective opportunity. SLERF's plus 137.68% surge proves that extreme fear doesn't affect all assets equally. Quality oversold gems get explosive bounces precisely when fear peaks, as smart money hunts opportunities while retail panics. Meanwhile, COAI's brutal crash shows market stress reveals what's real versus what's hype. Speculation fails hardest during fear, while revenue-generating protocols with actual cash flows attract defensive capital. And gold's 4,350 an all-time high, while Bitcoin struggles at 107K, proves that when institutions want safety, they still choose the 4,000-year-old asset over the 15-year-old digital gold. With SLERF exploding, plus 137.68%, while COAI crashes 40.78% and gold hits 4,350 ATH. Are we witnessing crypto's great quality bifurcation? Are we finally seeing the market separate legitimate value from pure speculation? The selective recovery is unfolding with clear winners and losers. SLERF leads with a 137.68% surge as COAI completes its AI speculation crash and Bitcoin stabilizes at 107K. Are you riding the selective recovery wave, avoiding the AI speculation casualties, or acknowledging the traditional safe haven dominance as crypto's quality divide crystallizes? Let me know in the comments below what you think is the most important signal from today's market action. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash update for October 18th, 2025. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. If you found this update valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for our twice daily market updates. See you in 12 hours for our next Crypto Pulse.